Samsung's smartphone sales experienced a significant surge following the introduction of the Galaxy Artificial Intelligence with the new Galaxy S24 series. The Galaxy S series continues to be Samsung's top-selling Android flagship line. The company unveiled the Galaxy S24 series at the January Unpacked event earlier this year. Recently, Android headlines confirmed that Samsung is officially developing the upcoming Galaxy S25 series, with the Galaxy S25 Ultra notably appearing in the IMEI database. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is listed in the database under the model number SM-S938U, while its predecessor, the Galaxy S24 Ultra, was listed as SM-S928U. The U indicates the US model, but the Galaxy S25 Ultra will also be available internationally, continuing Samsung's strategy of expanding its flagship series globally. Although detailed specifications for the Galaxy S25 Ultra are not yet available, we can make educated guesses based on previous models. As with earlier versions, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to feature region-specific chipsets. The US version might come with the Snapdragon 8 Gen 4 chipset, while other regions could receive the Exynos 2500 chipset. The next minor update, US 4.1, is expected to appear in the 2025 Galaxy S25 Ultra. According to a tweet from Sawyer Galax, the Galaxy S25 Ultra will employ US 4.1. However, his tweet does not specify whether the entire Galaxy S25 series will adopt US 4.1. According to Quaftech, the 128 GB Galaxy S24, released earlier this year, comes with UFS 3.1, while all other models in the Galaxy S24 series feature US 4.0. With increased artificial intelligence capabilities expected for Samsung's 2025 flagship phones, faster flash storage and higher amounts of RAM are necessary. Rumors suggest that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will come with 16 GB of RAM on models with 512 GB and 1 TB of storage. According to reports from Ice Universe, the Galaxy S25 series is expected to include significant camera upgrades. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a quad-camera setup consisting of a 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom, and a 50-megapixel super-telephoto lens with 5x optical zoom. There is no official information regarding the launch date and pricing of the Galaxy S25 Ultra yet. However, considering that the Galaxy Unpacked event in 2024 took place on January 17, next year's event is likely to be scheduled around the same time. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is anticipated to garner significant attention and set new benchmarks in the smartphone industry. Stay tuned for more updates. Thank you so much for joining me in this video. If you enjoyed what you saw, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and hit that subscribe button below. Peace out.